So one of the great features of the Maximo and Supremo series is the fact that our remotes are no longer transmitters, they're now transceivers. So the benefit of this is that there is a two-way communication protocol between the remote and the receiver. The remote is not only receiving data, but it's also now transmitting data. So there's two benefits to this. We can now flash firmware and software updates, but in addition to this, with all the redundancies in our system, and very unlikely, but in the unlikely event where you were to lose transmission signal between the remote and the receiver, it will give a pulsating vibration in the palm of your hand, advising you of this.